Mixed-use development near Hillview MRT. Welcome to Dairy Farm Residences, a unique mixed-use development in District 23. Convenience is right at your doorstep with Dairy Farm Mall downstairs, perfect for quick shopping and dining. This cozy two-bedroom, two-bathroom unit has 710 square feet of modern living space. A compact and well-designed kitchen greets you at the entrance. The living and dining areas boast a spacious and squarish layout. Step outside to the balcony and enjoy the stunning pool view. The common bedroom is perfect for guests or the young ones. The master bedroom is a spacious retreat, featuring an ensuite bath. Residents enjoy top-tier facilities, including a swimming pool, tennis court, gym, and barbecue area. Contact Propseller now to arrange a viewing.